Do you think ChatGPT is not reliable because it's only trained on data from 2022 and older? Well, I got a solution for you, and that's going to be using the WebChat extension that you can install to give your ChatGPT access to the web so that it can even provide you greater data and reference the internet in order for you to have more accurate information. So let's test this out. So how you do this is you just go to WebChat extension here on Google and you just add it as an extension. And then you're going to plug up right here. You're going to get this web access thing down below, but I have it turned off right now and I'm using ChatGPT 3.5, so the free version. Okay, so let's test it right now with how accurate. Who won the Super Bowl in 2023? Apologize for the inconvenience. They only have information available up to January of 2022. Okay, darn. So let's turn this little web access on and let's ask it again. Who won the Super Bowl in 2023? The Kansas City Chiefs were the Super Bowl, defeating the Philadelphia Eagles with a final score of 38-35. The game saw a remarkable comeback by the Chiefs, who were trailing by 24-14 at halftime and managed to secure the victory, with Patrick Mahomes earning the MVP title in the process. Pretty amazing, hey? Like, it now can pull information. It tells you the source right there, so you can actually reference where it got the information on and back check it. So what I really been like using the web's access to is just help me with my content generation, and then I just have to iterate on it. So I'll give you an example right now. Perfect. Just look at that right here. So I asked it to make me a YouTube strip what's going on in the Canadian economy right now. Canadians' current economic landscape in 2023. Gives me an introduction, how I need to say, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Russell Mortlock, teaching you everything AI, you know. So, but today we have a very important topic to discuss, diving into the current economic status of Canada of November of 2023. It's crucial to stay informed about economic trends. Let's get started. And then it goes into reference points. So the current budget, Canadians' near record low unemployment rate is expected to rise to 6.3% by the end of 2023. Then it references the growth projections in Canada to be 1.5%, slightly ahead of the Canadian average. Then it talks about the Bank of Canada, how we have higher interest rates going on, some key points that it goes on. And then it talks a bit more about the Bank of Canada, future outlook, referencing what the Bank of Canada thinks they're going to do for monetary policy and what they potentially are going to do. So now I have a YouTube script in the matter of seconds that I just need to reference and check. This used to take me weeks upon weeks, surfing the internet, trying to find what's going on, what's currently going on with the Bank of Canada, what are people thinking. I can simply type that in, and in seconds, I now have an entire YouTube script to use it. That is the power of the WebChat extension here on ChatGPT. It will be able to pull data right from the internet. So instead of me having to surf Google, go about it, I can just ask it a simple question. It puts it in data form, and then I'm off. And if you're getting a lot of value from this video and you want to follow my journey on learning AI firsthand to see how it can change my life and evolve my business, well, you're going to want to hit subscribe. Then for the people that want to take it a step further and they want to know what tools I'm currently using to grow my business and have me net more money and buy back my time, then you want to go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and send me a DM saying AI tools, and I'll provide you a copy of what I'm using.